Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm back with a treat. So after I get out of work, I like to go ahead and go to the gym because once I get settled in, I'm really not gonna go. So I go ahead and put on my gym clothes and head to the gym. So I try to work out between 30 to 45 minutes, and with me having a trainer, that's how long his sessions usually be anyway. So after the gym, since I'm already sweaty, I usually go ahead and try to straighten up and clean up everything that I have dirtied up that morning. And I can hear some of y'all in the comment section right now saying, oh my gosh, she don't make up her bed in the morning. Look here, I get up at the last minute. I like to sleep in, so guess what? I'm making up my bed now. After I have did the room, I go ahead and straighten up my closet because I'm the type of person who just be throwing stuff everywhere looking for stuff. Y'all, these ain't even my shoes. I don't know how they got in my closet. Sorry, Destiny. So after I have straightened up everything, I save my dusting for last, and I just dust while watching the news and hear what's going on in Memphis, Tennessee. And I must be retarded this day because I usually vacuum before I dust, and as y'all see, this dust flying everywhere. I guess I was retarded this day, I don't know. And voila, my room is clean. Yeah, this is my new sleeping pillow. Oh my God, when I tell y'all that pillow is heaven. Like, we're going to get more into this pillow at the end. Keep watching, keep watching. Okay, before I take my bath, I don't know about y'all, but I have to straighten up the bathroom. I cannot take no bath in no dirty bathroom. I just feel dirty. So I'm going to straighten up the bathroom, and then we're going to take our bath. When cleaning the mirror, I usually have to stand on top of the toilet because I'm short. So guess what? Y'all get the point. Girl got to do what your girl got to do. Okay, when cleaning the tub, I go ahead and wash the walls of the shower. And again, I can hear y'all now. Oh my God, you didn't clean that tub after you get out. Guess what? I didn't have time. I'm sleeping to the last minute. So y'all, we cleaning up in the evening. I don't know why y'all, but cleaning the toilet is so dirty to me. I'm the only one that use my toilet, but still, it be so dirty. But go ahead and clean the toilet, y'all. Make sure you get under the rim, under the flap, get up under everything. And make sure you get under the part of the toilet, like that little part right there, right there. A lot of people forget that part. Clean that part, y'all. Okay, y'all, to remove the hair from my legs, I'm going in with the new Nair Leg Mask, exfoliate and smooth with 100% natural clay plus seaweed leg mask. And to apply this, you just smooth mask over dry legs with the palm of your hand. Do not rub in. For best results, leave a thick, even layer on the skin surface. Wash hands right after applying. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes to give the product time to work its magic. You want to gently wipe off the mask with a damp washcloth and then rinse skin thoroughly. Keep tube tightly closed between uses. Smooth like a baby's bottom. Okay, it's time to bathe. Now I'm going in with my Dr. Teals foaming bath. And don't put a lot, child. Just put enough to make the bubbles. So usually when I remove the hair off my legs, I exfoliate the same day. So I'm going in with my exfoliating glove and also my Kelp body wash. Okay, y'all, for personal reasons, I'm turning the camera off so I can do what I gotta do in the tub. So don't forget, y'all, wash your entire body. I'm only washing my leg on camera, but wash your entire body. Okay, to keep my hair that's under the braids moisturized, I'm going in with the coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner. And y'all, when having braids, you still want to take care of your hair under the braid. And since I am natural, I like to use the Rapid Lotion moisturizing foam just to make sure like my hair don't seep through or try to peek through. So just lay it back down with the foam and then you're going to tie it up with your hair scarf. So after you have laid down all your hair, just go on top of that with your scarf, and then I come after the scarf with my bunny, and you good to go. I like to pull my hair on top of my head because I don't want my hair to get frizzy or look nappy, so I'm pulling everything under my bunny. So before going to sleep, I like to use my Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, which is a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. So you just want to massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. I want to shout out Satira for sponsoring this video. Satira is a memory foam pillow that morphs to your neck's natural shape, giving the support to alleviate buildup, tension, and aches. And y'all, this pillow, like I use it to sit up, watch TV, to take a nap, to sleep, of course, to sleep, Dominique. But y'all, this pillow lit. I'm not just saying it because they sponsoring this video. This pillow so lit, for real. And as you can see, I do use my pillow. The pillowcase a little dirty a little bit, but don't worry, I'm finna take it out and wash it. It can be washed. One thing I like about this pillow is that if you sleep on your side, back, or tummy, like it doesn't matter. It helps with all that. Like it's a cervical alignment type pillow. Like it don't matter how you sleep, you can lay on it. Like you're gonna be comfortable. But it also has a cooling memory foam. And it also has a removable pillowcase that you can wash. If you see right here, like you can take this off and wash it. And this is the memory foam part about the pillow. And it's y'all lucky day, because if you want to get this pillow today, click the link down below in my description box and you will get 20% off. During the payment part, just use my code Dominique20 and it will take 20% off. And you can have this pillow today.